Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is geometry. In our class we shall solve two CQ number 1 and CQ number 3. My dear students, CQ number 1 will be your CW and CQ number 3 will be your SW. CQ number 3 will be your SW because most of the question of this CQ are already done in our previous classes. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 37 of annual term and today's SW number will be 36. So let us start our class, my dear students. At first we read the question. This is question number 3 and it is your SW. And our today's CW will be question number 1. My dear student, notice in equilateral triangle ABC, that means ABC who is a equilateral triangle. AD, BE and CF are three medians. Medians, that means a line which divide a triangle into two equal sides, then that is called median. That means AD, BE and CF are three medians. Question number 8. Draw a right angle isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means a triangle whose two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. But here also a condition given which is right angle. That means at first we draw a right angle, then we draw isosceles triangle. Okay. That means we want to draw a isosceles triangle which is also right angle triangle. What do you mean by right angle triangle? Right angle triangle means a triangle whose one angle is right angle is called right angle triangle. Question number B. Show that angle A equal angle B equal angle C. That means by using this information, at first we draw the figure, after that we prove angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Question number C. AD equal BE equal CF. That means we want to prove that the medians are equal. That means AD, BE and CF are three medians of the triangle ABC and we want to prove AD equal BE equal CF. Okay. I hope you have understood. My dear student, the first question is draw a right angle isosceles triangle. My dear students, here a space is given, but I draw the figure in that side. Okay. I hope you have understood. Dear students, we need to draw a right angle isosceles triangle. At first we take a straight line. At first we take a straight line. Dear student, notice this is a straight line. After that I draw here a right angle. I draw here a right angle. So how can? Please notice. At first we take a arc. Okay. Then we notice this arc curves this straight line at a point. Now we fixed its pointer on that point and draw another arc. Okay. This arc intersect another arc at a point. After that you notice I place this pointer on that point and another arc is drawn. Okay. Dear students, notice as our board is slippery, for these reasons I can take the accurate result. Okay. Okay. So dear students, now we add okay. As we need to draw the isosceles triangle, That means two sides will be equal. Now we make these two sides equal. That means we need to extend it. After that we join this point and this point. Okay, I hope you have understood. Dear student, now notice A, B and C. This is the right angle isosceles triangle and its BC and AB are equal. Dear students, now you notice below the figure I write in the above figure ABC is a right angled isosceles triangle where AB equal to BC. That means this side equal to this side and this angle B angle is a right angle. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall prove question number B. Here show that angle A equal angle B equal angle C. In the stem give you the information that in equilateral triangle, that means a triangle which is equilateral is drawn in the figure. This is a equilateral triangle and name of the triangle is AB and C. AB and C. Notice, given that AB equal AC equal BC of equilateral triangle, it is required to prove that angle A equal angle B equal to angle C. I hope you have understood. My dear students, I repeat, AB equal AC equal BC of the equilateral triangle. Why? Because we know that equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So this is AB, this is BC, this is AC. If AB is 5 centimeter, then BC will be 5 centimeter, then AC will be also 5 centimeter. For this reason, this line is written. That means given that AB equal AC equal BC of the equilateral triangle, it is required to prove that angle A equal angle B equal angle C. Okay. Construction. Draw the three medians. That means we draw median AD, median BE and median CF. I repeat. Now we draw three medians, median AD, median BE and median CF. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall go to our proof. We take two triangles. Suppose this ABD is a triangle and ACD is a triangle. Okay. I repeat, ABD is a triangle and ACD is a triangle. We compare this two triangle. In this two triangle, which sides are equal and which angles are equals, now we want to notice. In this two triangle, notice AB equal AC because it is an equilateral triangle and it is given already. That means AB equal AC equal BC. So from that we write in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB equal AC. Okay. And BD equal CD. Why? Because AD is the median. That means a median divides BC at the point D. That means we write BD equals CD. Okay. And AD is the common point. That means ABD has the side AD and ACD triangle has the side AD. Okay. So we can say angle ABD equal to angle ACD, as is two sides are equal and is also one angle is equal, included angle is equal. So we can say these two triangles are congruent. That means triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. That's why we can easily say that angle B equal to angle C. I repeat, That's why we can easily say that angle B equal to angle C. In similar way, we prove angle A equal to angle B. As B equals C and A equal B, so from these two statements we can write angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. I repeat it again. My dear students, ABC is a equilateral triangle whose AB side, BC side and AC sides are equal. It is required to prove that angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Construction. Now we draw three medians, medians AD, median BE and median CF. Okay. Then prove in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB side equal to AC side. Why? Because they are equilateral triangles part. After that, BD equals CD. Why? Because AD medians divide BC into two equal parts. Okay. And AD is the common side. That means AD present in both triangle, in triangle ABD and also in triangle ACD. And angle ABD equal to angle ACD. That's why we can easily say that these two triangles are congruent. As these two triangles are congruent, so we can say angle B equal to angle C. In similar way, we can prove that angle A equal to angle B. So from this two statement, we can say angle A equal angle B equal angle C. I hope you have understood. And it is so easier for you. You just read one or two times, then you can easily write by yourself. Okay, question number C. Prove that AD equal B equal to CF. That means we need to prove that the medians are equal. That means the three medians are equal. So first of all, we draw the same figure which is in question number B. That means at first we draw an equilateral triangle whose name is A, B and C. Then we draw three medians, median AD, after that median BE, after that median CF. Particular enunciation given that AD, BE and CF are three medians of an equilateral triangle. It is required to prove that angle AD equal BE equal to CF. Proof. Dear students, first of all you notice AB equal to AC. Why? Because it is a equilateral triangle. I repeat, AB equal to AC. That's notice AB equal AC. Why? Because it is a equilateral triangle. After that, we multiply both sides by half. That means half multiplied with AB and half multiplied with AC. Half of AB means what? Half of AB means BF and half of AC means what? CA. I repeat, half of AB means what? AB means BF and half of AC means what? Half of AC means CE. So notice BF equal to BE equal to CF. BE, my dear students, it will be BF equal to CE. Okay. I repeat, half of AB equal to BF and half of AC equal to CE. Okay. So BF equal to CE. I hope you have understood. Now dear students, we compare two triangles. One triangle name is triangle BEC and another triangle name is BFC. I repeat, one triangle name is BEC and another triangle name is BFC. We compare these two triangles. From these two triangles, we can say this BF equal to this CE and BC equal to BC. Why? Because the triangle BEC has the side BC and again the triangle BFC has the side BC. So we can say BC equal BC, common side, and included angle BCE, included angle BCE, included angle BCE equal to included angle CBF, CBE. Okay, I repeat, included angle BCE included angle BCE, this one, and included angle CBF, okay. So we can say as BF equal CE, BC equal BC, and BCE equal to CBF. So we can say these two triangles are congruent. That means triangle BCF congruent to triangle BEC. Okay, as these two triangles are congruent, so we can say BE equal to CF. Okay, BE equal to CF. Similarly, we can prove that AD equal to BE. From this statement we can say B equal CF, on that BE equal AD. So we can say AD equal BE equal CF. Okay, I repeat this again. Dear students, ABC is an equilateral triangle, and AD, BE and CF be its three medians. We need to prove that AD equal BE equal CF. Okay, proof AB equal CD. Why? Because it is a equilateral triangle. Now we multiply both sides by these two sides. That means half of AB equal to half of AC. What do you mean by half of AB? Half of AB means BF. On the other hand, what do you mean by half of AC? Half of AC means CE. So we can write BF equal CE. Now we compare two triangles BEC and BFC. From these two triangles we notice BF equal CE and BC equal BC. Why? Because BC is common side of both triangles, and included BCE equal to included angle CBF. As two sides and unincluded angles are equal, so we can say these two triangles are congruent. That means triangle BEC congruent to triangle BEF. Okay, so we can say BE equal CF. That means two medians are equal. After that we prove the same way the median AD equal to median BE. So from this two statement we can write AD equal BE equal CF. Proved. I hope you have understood, dear students. Now we shall give you a CQ which will be your SW. Dear students, notice in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equal DE, AC equal DF, and included angle BAC equal to included angle EDF. By using this information we prove question number A and B. Draw the figure based on the information. That means we draw two triangles, one name is ABC and another name is DEF, and compare. That's AB side equal to that's DE side, and AC side equal to DF side, and included angle BAC equal to included angle EDF. Okay, so we draw the figure first. After that, from this figure we prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. This is SAS theorem, that means side angle side theorem. We have already done it in our previous classes. Okay, question number C. In the triangle ABC, AB equal AC, prove that angle ABC equal to angle ACB. That means if the two sides of a triangle are equal, then their included angle must be equal. So this is that theorem, and it is also done in our previous classes. So my dear students, this will be your SW. You must do your assign SW in your SW copy, and if you have any problems about my class, you must ask me a questions. My phone number is given on the board. So my dear students, please do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library in every 8 AM to 4 PM. Okay my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.